I'm Anna. Welcome to What to Say. When you give instructions, listen out for useful language for giving instructions. Then we'll practice saying the new phrases after this.
It's not working.
Are you okay?
Do you know how to use this machine?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Thanks.
Okay. First, you have to put the correct amount of coffee in here. Then you press it down with this.
I see.
Right, okay. Next, you put this here and turn it until it's quite tight.
Right.
After that, you just press this button.
Okay, that seems clear.
Great. Now it's your turn.
Is this okay?
Yes, that's right. Now press it down.
Like this?
Yeah, you're doing well.
Thanks. What do I do next?
Connect it to the machine.
Is there anything else?
That's it. Just press the button. Well?
Delicious, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello again. Oh, I love a good coffee. So, did you notice the useful phrases used for giving instructions? Listen to me and then repeat. First, you have to put the coffee here. First, you have to put the coffee here. Then you press it down with this. Then you press it down with this. I see. I see. Right. Okay. Next, you put this here. Right. Okay. Next, you put this here. After that, you just press this button. After that, you just press this button. Okay, that seems clear. Okay, that seems clear. Is this okay? Is this okay? Yes, that's right. Yes, that's right. Like this? Like this? You're doing well. You're doing well. What do I do next? What do I do next? Is there anything else? Is there anything else? Try and use some of these phrases the next time you give instructions in English. Bye for now.